So welcome to Techy Roque. You're watching this video and this is a video on the Zorin OS education version. So if you're searching for a new operating system with modern UI and everything's pretty new with inbuilt installed all education purpose software and games, so you want this, then keep watching this video. So you need VirtualBox. It's Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So just create new and hit the advanced mode. Then enter the name of your operating system, that is Zorin OS. You can enter whatever you want. And this is a Linux based operating system, so you need to select Linux and in the version the other Linux 64 version. Select the RAM suitable for you. I have 8 gigs of RAM, then I can select 2 gigs of RAM. Select where your virtual hard disk will be in your hard disk. So just create a new folder and save your .vdi file and select the size you want. I want the 30 GB virtual hard disk. Then create. And now you have to do some settings in it, so just open the setting and just follow my steps and just follow. In the system you can check, you can also base memory. I am selecting the 3 cores. Video memory you can full if you want the better resolution. And that's it. Just press the OK and hit start button. And now you have to select the ISO file of the operating system that you downloaded. So that's it. Zorin OS 15.1 education. And hit choose. Then start. Then your operating system will be boot in some minute. You have to wait for it. And now here you can see, just select the save graphics, try or install version. If you want the full graphics, then you can select the NVIDIA. So yeah, here you can see the interface of this app, but you need to install this. I'm going to install this. You can also try Zorin OS if you want to try, and I'm going to hit the install Zorin OS. Just select your language and just hit the button, that is the install button. Now you can select the keyboard layout, just take it by default. This is not the Windows operating system. And deselect all 3 options if you don't want any updates. Deselect all 3 options. Hit continue. And now click the first option just and install now. This will erase your disk. This will erase your virtual hard disk basically. Hit continue and continue. So let me show you how to download this operating system. So just go to your browser, open any browser that you want and search for the Zorin OS. And now this is the site, that's the zorinos.com. I'm going to install the education version of it, which contains all the software, basic software for you, for geometries, for solving math question. So just skip download and you will redirect to this site, and you will select the 64 version if you're, and hit download now button. 4.2 GB of size, you can download it easily. Yeah, it's a big size because it contains all the software like the office basic work. You can also do your work in the office. And if you want the 32 version, then follow this. So now here we go. Select your location and basic name, create password. Basically you can leave for now and just continue. And now you have to wait for this is the final installation. Remove your disk on the process of rebooting. And now log in. So yeah, that's done. That's it. Enter your password, log in, explore the new features of this operating system. You will see it. So if you want to keep watching this video from now, you have to like this video and subscribe this channel for more regular tech videos. So here you can see I'm going to set up this operating system and I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough or the quick start of this operating system. Just select the resolution that is really perfect for you, and I'm going to show you all the software that this operating system contains, why this operating system is really special. So here you can see it contains all the software. You don't need to download anything. VLC, Audacity and every basic needed software are already pre-installed in this app. You can see Firefox also installed in it. Screenshot is really advanced. This is a GeoGebra. If you want to make work in the geometry, then the software is really nice for you. And pretty simple for games for little children if you want to. Just a basic though. And also a math question software, you can learn it. So yeah, that's why it's an education version of this operating system. I also made and you can also see LibreOffice pre-installed in it, so you can do your work of Office directly from it without installing any software. And I also made a video on the basic Zorin OS. You can see in the you will see the link in the description or in the I button. You can also watch this video. I've also made a quick video of all the features of this operating system that is really nice and modern looking. You can also see VLCs pre-installed in this operating system. You don't need anything. And also voice notes. It's an all-in-one education purpose operating system. Maybe this operating system is for you, maybe some software is not for you. So this is the file explorer of it, really modern. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video. Subscribe this channel for more and more.